Okay, Martin, you're loading, right?
Yeah, I'm still loading.
But I can see you. Well, it's awkward.
No way.
Yeah,
That is awkward.
I can actually see you. Let me just play my hive. I just realized that there's only one hive slot left. There's only.
If I join, I'll be with you.
Yeah. So that means you're actually the 6th person to join. Bruh. I'm the 2nd best player because, look, I am real rich. Has so much bees.
Whoa.
And almost all his bees are gifted. Wait, what? A gifted mythic tadpole bee?
That's cool.
I only have one mythic bee which is not gifted.
No.
And no other mythics. What? Well, I mean, yeah. He doesn't have that much legendaries compared to me. He does not have that much legendaries compared to me. Look at all my legendaries. Wait, let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I have a... Wait, oh no, no. Okay, so I have 19 legendaries. Yeah, you're in. Again, I see you. I see you with your money, honey, and with your jar where you can hold 750 capacity with. Then me, I can hold 531,139. No, pollen. Crazy. Now I'm going to go get some more jellies. I need to go get some more jellies. I need to go get some more royal jelly. No, you cannot get in the cannon.
No, not getting the cannon. Cool.
You cannot get in there because you're a noob. Yes, okay. I got my 5 royal jellies. And I'm gonna go to. If you're wondering what that like a computer screen thing is, you actually need to use all the cog codes so you can have the hat. But it's only a game hat, not like an accessory hat. What's that? Hello, I'm gonna get the sunflower seed. I'm so sorry. I got the sunflower seed. Sorry, it's just done so fast.
That's alright.
Because I got the boost from the royal jelly. Wait, hold on. Let me just fight a king beetle if I can. Yes, I can actually fight king beetle. Okay, just in time my speed ran out, but it's okay. Hello, King Beetle level 7. I'm gonna go in here so it's way easier to destroy you.
What? Good work, man. You're getting it in.
He cannot get in. Ha! No. This is too easy. It started on 2,500 and now it's already going down to the hundreds.
Oh.
See, now it's already down to the hundreds. That's crazy.
Certainly is.
I only need to do it 700 HP and that's it. Whoa. But it's so easy.
Well, for your math, swarm, yeah, for sure.
I just completed in just like 2 minutes.
Whoa. Take him down.
But if not, then almost 2 minutes. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I did it in just 2 minutes.
Well,
Yes, I just did it in 2 minutes. Wow. And collect the rewards. Woo! Yeah, my rewards. Rewards. Woo! Yeah, I got my rewards.
nice.
Whoa, I got 1 million honey. I just got 1 million honey.
Nice.
I got 1 million honey. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Definitely is.
Wait, and here's the one I got. 14,000 bone, 50 moon charms. Whoa, that's crazy. That's a crazy amount. 100 blueberries, 5 tickets, 1 blue extract, 3 royal jellies, 25 strawberries, 1 red extract, and 1,100,318 honey. That's a lot of honey. But, I mean, not really, because I have 7 million. I used to have 6 million, now I have 7 million. Just for the start of the video. What should you say? What do you need to say?
Well, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's,
They don't really need to share.
well,
They don't have to share.
It just sounds good.
Yeah.
It's always nice if you do feel like sharing. If you don't know how to share, there's a button at the bottom of your YouTube videos. Looks like a little bent arrow.
Yeah.
And share it with all of your friends so they can watch Istis as well.
Yeah. Watch all the videos. Oh. Okay. I'm just going to look at the all-time top honeymakers. You made 66 million honey, and the top number 1 made 549 trillion honey in total. That means they may actually have like 100 trillion honey. And top 1 is Mr. Mosquito. Wait, the mosquito has a bug. Wait, what are you? Oh, I can just see you in the... Wait. Yay, you're in the dandelion field.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's a sprout here. I was going to actually... Oh, wait, no, there's not. I'm just going to put a sprout here. You're welcome. I put a sprout here.
Good, nice.
Which means now you can all collect rewards. Wait, this may actually... Wait, but I could buy another one, and it's Robux.
Whoa.
30 Robux for only 1. Magic bean. Should I buy it? Yes. Because after this one gets destroyed, I kind of want to put another one down. Ooh, a tree. Okay. Bang. Oh, bang, bang, bang. And boom in the bed. Oh, boom. Put the money in the bag. Oh, I don't say. Come on. Oh. I got 2 times speed for a few. Oh yes. Now you can get some stuff. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this and this. I need a lot of these, by the way. I'm sorry if I steal all the stuff I need.
No, not at all.
But I can put another sprout. Whoa, moon sprout. I cannot do that. Wait, you just missed all of the farm weapon stuff.
Yeah, that's all good. I'm chilling out with my bees.
Okay. You can get more bees from here.
Where are you at the shop?
No. It's here.
Let me find you.
You just have.
There we go.
Do you see this like a yellow black egg thing? That's why you get bees. Or basic bees.
Open shop.
I can't.
Says I can't afford. I need 15,000. I've only got half that.
Well, for me, I need 6 million, but I do have enough honey. But I know because I already have a full hive. So I'm not. T-Rex. You know what? T-Rex? More like I'ma do some flex.
Definitely do some flex.
By using all my royal jellies to try get my 20th legendary.
It's daytime.
Yay! Woo! Why am I only getting rares? Wing. Rare count 150. Whatever.
Yeah.
151. 152. Okay. 153. 154. 155. And Hasty Bee. It's a rare. Not an ultra rare, not a legendary. Okay, moon charms. I'm going cool. 34 so I can level carpenter bee. No. Go get some honey. Go get some honey so you can get more bees.
That's what I'm on.
It's gonna take a while, boys and girls. I'm going to.
That was a bale and a half. Just took a header there.
Yeah, I see it. Get out of here. Get out of the bee. Get out of the bee. I just attack the robot bee because they're killers. Okay? And I don't know how we could destroy this sprout. I think we need someone to no, not you, a T-Rex. Doing the flax. I'm just kidding. You're never going to do the flax.
Definitely need some people.
You didn't. You are not really good at this game. You don't even have a hive. Just claim your hive. T-Rex cannot even claim his hive. He's such a noob.
Well, at least I had you to show me because I'd still be running around confused.
Yeah, because I'm the second best in this solo. Because of this crazy person.
If anybody does need some help and tips and training, just go back and watch some of Istis's videos. They will tell you everything you need to know.
Yeah, so like soon I'll do videos about how to get to the first, how to get like the first Christmas part. I don't know. So apparently I'll just tell you right now. So first, you have to do this. And this is gifts.
Mega giveaway happening right now, people. Get yo.
And actually, there is a giveaway on Bubblegum Simulator. I am giving away a toy serpent. Legendary. And if you like, subscribe, and comment your username, and if I delete some friends, then maybe I'll accept your friend request and I'll give you it, but put your username, okay?